Hello friends, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, we'll show you how to rewatch Spotify Wrapped 2022. For this, you need to go to your search bar. Okay, if you see in this series Wrapped, then you can go for it and rewatch it, but otherwise if you can't see here, so go for in the search bar and search here Spotify Wrapped 2022 here. After that you can rewatch your Spotify Wrapped from here. So this is how you can rewatch Spotify Wrapped 2022. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.